Y'all see when I'm on my way in to go to work? See this mess? April showers bring May flowers and cicadas. God damn. You know I ain't ready for this. Ooh, look at this. Damn, I wish I was off. I got vacation next week. I wish I could just go ahead on and stay home until it's over. Look at this mess. Well, oh wow, look at the police up here. Something happened. Ooh, somebody in the ditch. Wow. Oh no, it was an accident. It was an accident. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all day better than mine. Y'all take care. Peace out. And I have not forgot about my Charming Cross unboxing. It's coming. Y'all be good. Bye-bye.